Welcome to the United States of America, a land of vast distances and diverse landscapes, with such a wide array of terrain and a population spread across cities, suburbs, and rural areas. The ways we get around are as varied as the country itself. Let's explore the different types of transportation available, their pros and cons, and see which ones are the most accessible and affordable for the everyday American. First up, the automobile. The car is perhaps the most iconic form of transportation in the US. With over 270 million registered vehicles, it's the go-to for many Americans. Advantages of cars include freedom to travel anytime and anywhere, comfort and privacy, convenience for families and long-distance travel. However, cars also come with disadvantages: high costs for purchase, maintenance, insurance, and fuel, traffic congestion, especially in urban areas, environmental impact due to emissions. Next, we have public buses. Buses are a vital part of public transportation in many cities and towns, offering an affordable way to get around. Advantages of buses include low cost compared to driving a car, reduced environmental impact per passenger, accessibility in urban and suburban areas. But buses also have their downsides, can be slow and subject to traffic delays, limited routes and schedules in some areas, overcrowding during peak times. Water transport, including ferries and boats, is an often overlooked but essential mode of transportation in coastal cities and areas with large bodies of water. Advantages of water transport include scenic and relaxing travel experience, effective for transporting large goods, reduces road congestion in urban areas. However, water transport has its challenges: limited routes and schedules, weather-dependent and can be slow, higher operational and maintenance costs. Air travel is the fastest way to cover long distances, making it essential for cross-country and international trips. Advantages of air travel include fastest mode for long-distance travel, connects remote areas to major cities, high safety standards. But air travel isn't without its downsides: expensive compared to other modes, lengthy security and boarding processes. Trains are another popular option, especially in regions with well-developed rail networks like the Northeast Corridor. Advantages of trains include comfortable and spacious seating, efficient for long-distance travel, less affected by traffic conditions. However, trains have their limitations: higher cost compared to buses, limited availability outside major cities, infrequent schedules in some regions. For shorter distances, bicycles are a fantastic option. They're environmentally friendly, healthy, and increasingly supported by urban infrastructure. Advantages of bicycles include low cost after the initial purchase, zero emissions and health benefits, flexibility and ease of parking. Yet biking isn't without challenges. Weather-dependent and physically demanding, safety concerns in traffic-heavy areas, limited to shorter distances. Subways and light rail systems are lifelines in major cities like New York, Chicago, and San Francisco. Advantages of subways include fast and efficient in urban areas, high capacity and frequent service, reduces road congestion and emissions. But they also face drawbacks, can be overcrowded, especially during peak hours, expensive to build and maintain, limited to major urban centers. Finally, we have walking, scooters and ride shares, each offering unique benefits for short trips and first-mile, last-mile connectivity. Advantages include walking, completely free and healthy; scooters, convenient and fun for short trips; ride shares, flexible and often cheaper than taxis. Disadvantages are walking, limited by distance and weather; scooters can be unreliable and require balance; ride shares, surge pricing and availability issues. In the end, the best transportation choice depends on your needs, location and budget. For many, public buses and subways offer the most affordable and accessible options, while cars, bikes and ride shares provide flexibility. No matter how you choose to travel, there's a way to navigate America that suits everyone. Navigating America, every journey matters. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but how you get there. Stay safe and enjoy the ride. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more.